All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So I got another device in here. This is a selfie stick. I honestly didn't even know people still use selfie sticks. But you know, the company reached out to me and said, hey, Jay, review this selfie stick if you want to. If not, don't worry about it. However, the reason I say yes to this selfie stick is because it's a tripod also. Excuse me. It's a tripod also. So this is a huge plus. I think I seen Otech review something like this a while back. And I told him, I said, man, if I could ever get something like that, I would definitely review it. And here we are months later. Company reached out to me. The reason this is good is because it's a tripod. So which means you can put the legs up. And then if you want to do a video, you can sit it up and have your camera facing you like this. Or you can do video with it facing down over your subject. And this should extend some more. It should. Yeah, there we go. It extends way out. Yeah. So you can have your tripod set up and the camera facing down onto your subject. Does that make sense? Like you can put a phone in here. Let me just grab a phone that's next to me. Okay, so here's the iPhone. You can just put a phone in here like this. And you see how big the iPhone is and it works. Let me adjust my tripod. And this is one of the reasons that I wanted this. I think this is a good look right here. You can do a video review with something like this. Pretty sweet. This actually twists like this. You know, it's got all kind of adjustments you can do. This is a nice item right here. So it's battery operated and it has a remote also. Now, whether I'll use the remote or not, I don't know. It's supposed to have a remote in here, like you're supposed to be able to, let's see here, push. Oh, let's say push. Boom, there we go. All right. I'll leave that there, I guess. But here's the remote. And I didn't know that the remote was like built into a part of it like that. That's actually pretty sweet, man. See, if you don't want to lose your remote, slide it right back in place. Man, some of the things that companies come up with is super hot. Now, this is just a charging cable right here. But I've got a ton of those. Now, this will set you back about $25. And right now they have a coupon code to get some money off. So be sure to check the links in the description if you're, in fact, in need of something like this. Again, I personally grabbed this. So I was like, you know what? I'll definitely review this because this will be good for when I'm traveling. I can have a setup where I can take photos from a distance or hit record from a distance. I get my phone set up right. Boom. This is a hot look right here. This is a hot look. Again, I saw Otech with one of these, and then I kind of forgot about it. But then a company reached out to me, and I said, "Wow, this is pretty nice." Amazon seller, BlitzWolf. I've worked with them in the past years ago, but it's been a while. So this is a hot look. So if I'm doing my selfie game up, you know what I mean? I got it right here. That's what I'm talking about. And so here it is in action. I put the camera on the selfie stick, and this is quality is obviously not what we're concerned about. We're concerned about the selfie stick itself. So I decided to go ahead and close out the video with the selfie stick. Anyway, check it out, man. BlitzWolf. I have a link in the description so you can get yours. 10% off. It's about 25 bucks. But check the link in the description. Like if you go straight to Amazon with the link, there's a box that you check for 10% off prior to purchase. So hit that or check the links in the description and see if there's some codes down there for you. So it's your man, Jay Will. See you in the next one. Take care.